Looking put together is not nearly as complicated as you may think. And yes, girl, you deserve to look put together inside and out. The truth is, a few simple tweaks can transform your image, which can also transform your confidence, how you carry yourself, even the actions and way you execute things in daily life. A few simple tweaks in how you present yourself can have you looking like I have arrived. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Breonna Queen. I am an image consultant as well as an award-winning beauty blogger. And on this channel right here, I help women look and feel more put together so they can be their highest, grandest, most confident, stylish self. So if that sounds like you, click that subscribe button and join the family. And today, we are tackling those sneaky mistakes that could be honestly stopping you from looking more put together. And mind you, when I say put together, I don't mean elegant, I don't mean chic. Those are different types of anesthetics. I mean just looking put together. Looking like you are a woman that prioritizes herself. You are a woman who cares about herself. You are a woman who cares about her image, who cares about her appearance. You are a woman who is not out here just letting life control her. So grab your wine or your virgin wine like I'm drinking, little snack, and sit back and let's talk. All right, so the first sneaky mistake you can be making that could be stopping you from looking more put together is wearing clothes that do not fit your body type. When I say body type, I'm not saying clothes that are too big or too small, because right now, like the big oversized clothes, they're really in style. But I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about clothes that do not flatter your body shape. And the thing is, there is no wrong body shape. Inverted triangles are beautiful. Pear shapes are beautiful. Hourglass are beautiful. Apple shape, like there is no bad body shape. The body shape that you have is absolutely beautiful. And once you learn the different types of cuts and silhouettes that really flatter your body, things will be so much easier. Your closet will be easier, clothes will be easier, fashion will be easier. You getting dressed and looking amazing will be easy because you know the cuts and the silhouettes that work for your body. And that is the beauty of knowing your body type. What body type are you? Each body type is different. For example, a woman who is pear-shaped, she has a smaller waist and her hips are where she has most of her weight. So wearing a short mini pleated skirt is going to make her look even more hippie. You want to create balance for your top. So wearing a top with some volume on it is going to give you that balance. Or for example, a apple shape. I am an apple shape. A lot of times people are like, oh my gosh, I thought you was hourglass shape. No, baby, I am apple shape. But because I know my best cuts and styles that fit my silhouettes, I'm able to create a balance, a harmony in my body that creates the illusion of an hourglass. So that is why it is so important to know your body shape. I carry a lot of my weight in my breast, stomach, and face. My legs, honestly, they stay the same size no matter how big or how small I get. So with that, I know that when I wear dresses, I need something that's going to cinch in at the waist to give me more of a balance. Wearing something that's going to be really tight in my stomach is actually going to make me look more top heavy, like I gained 20 extra pounds. So knowing your body shape is just really going to benefit you. And like I said, there's no bad body type, right? Every body type has pros. For example, pear shapes have great butts. Apple shapes tend to have really great legs. Rectangle shapes tend to gain muscle very quickly. Oval shapes tend to have a really nice bust. Triangles tend to have really nice legs. Every body shape has pros. I don't want to hear you talking about your body. Oh, I'm sick of being this shape. I don't want to hear you talking about your body shape. Your body shape is beautiful. And once you know the most cuts, it becomes so much easier. And if you're interested in learning more about your body shape and the cuts and silhouettes that are really going to flatter you, I do have a Discover Your Body Type kit that goes over how you can determine your body shape, as well as different cuts, silhouettes, and necklines that are going to be your most flattering. A lot of times we may be two different body shapes. Like you may not completely be an apple. You may be apple and have a slightly inverted triangle. You may be a pear and have a slightly rectangle. Like you can be more than one body shape. Like you don't have to just be one. A lot of times like the box ourselves into things, and we are diverse human beings. We can't be put in boxes. A lot of times women struggle. They say, I think I'm a rectangle shape, but I kind of have some apple attributes as well. Inside of my Discover Your Body Type kit, I help you go more in depth with that so you can find the most flattering cuts for your body. Now, my next tip is not following your ABCs. No, I am not taking you back to kindergarten. As a certified image consultant, I tell my clients, don't forget about the ABCs when it comes to dressing yourself. This honestly was the game changer for me. So A is for accentuate. What do you want to bring attention to when you are planning out your outfit? B is balance. What do you want to bring balance to? And then C is camouflage. What do you want to conceal? Let me go more in depth with the ABCs of fashion, how it can truly help you when you're trying to find outfits. So for example, let's say you have amazing legs. I want to accentuate my legs. They may be wearing a mini skirt. They may be wearing shorts. They may be wearing a skirt in general that really accentuates and highlights your legs. So it would be the A, accentuate. Then B is going to be balance. If you are wearing a mini skirt, a way to bring balance to this outfit is a jacket or long sleeve blouse. And then C is for camouflage, conceal. What do you want to hide? So for example, for me, I have a very big bust. How can I conceal it? How can I hide it? How can I camouflage it? A way I can camouflage a very big bust is maybe I can do a blazer, even a crop blazer. It doesn't have to be something that's oversized. A lot of times people feel like if you want to conceal something or camouflage it, I need to wear something bigger. That's not necessarily true. Sometimes when you wear things that are bigger, it just makes you look bigger. I wore a cropped sweater that created the illusion of my bust being smaller. It wasn't an oversized sweater, but it allowed my bust to look smaller. So when it comes to the ABCs, think about what am I trying to accentuate? What do I want to bring balance to? And then C, what do I want to camouflage? This is going to make dressing so much easier for you and make you look so much more put together. When you accentuate, you want to accentuate one thing, right? For example, if you're going to be wearing a halter top, it doesn't make sense to wear a halter top and a mini skirt because it may be like a little too much. It's not going to give you that polished look that you want. So wearing some shorts with a blazer or wearing a halter top with some nice wide leg pants, that's going to give you that polished look. You have one key focus that you are trying to accentuate. When it comes to looking put together and intentional, do not forget your ABC. Another mistake you could be making is neglecting your most flattering colors. Imagine everything that you wear, the color looks amazing on you. You look like you are glowing. Like you walk out the house, people are like, girl, you is glowing. You look great. Girl, that is your color. Even though you only have 4 hours of sleep. Or on the flip side, imagine that you go out and people are like, are you tired? Are you coming down with something? Are you sick? Even though you feel great. That's the power of color. Knowing your most flattering colors can change the game for you. I'll use myself for an example. Grays do not look great on me. And for the longest, I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to wear gray because it's very like professional. Gray is not my most flattering color. Navy blue is not my most flattering color. I realized, okay, I'm wearing this gray because it's in style like the millennial gray, but it's not doing me any justice. I realized, okay, I work more with the warm colors, the jewel tone colors. Those are my shade. Doing my color analysis allowed me to determine what are my most flattering colors as well as what are my least flattering colors. So when it comes to your most flattering colors, I recommend the 16 color seasons. Now there's a 4 color seasons. It's not for Black women. There's a 12 one. It's okay. But I would like the 16 color seasons for us as Black women because it's really going to help you with your contrast, complexion, skin tone, undertone, all that great stuff. Certain colors on your complexion are just going to make you look more alive. They're just really going to flatter your skin tone, just going to really make you look great. And then there are colors that are not going to be as complimentary. There are still colors I wear that may not be the most flattering on me, but I'm still going to wear them. For example, the pastel pinks, they're not my most flattering color, but I like the color, so I'm going to wear it. But when it comes to looking more polished and put together, knowing your most flattering colors will change the game for you. It will make it so much easier for you. Now, in my last video, I did talk about wear neutral colors. Neutral colors are a sure way to look more elegant, but you can wear neutral colors that are still your color. A neutral color could be navy, right? There are different types of navies. There's a cool navy, there's a warm navy, a navy that is more on the darker side, there is a navy that's more on the lighter side. There are so many different colors. You could do a neutral color and it still be a complementary color to your complexion. And when it comes to knowing your season, a lot of tips out here for Black women do not work. Like people say, oh, look at your veins, see if they're blue or green. That doesn't work for us because a lot of times you can be cool tone, but your veins still appear to be green. That doesn't really help. So I find that when it comes to determining your most flattering skin type, you really gotta do a draping test. And that's why I created my Discover Your Color kit. It's all about helping you determine your most flattering colors and your least flattering colors in less than 15 minutes. As an image consultant, one of the things that really aggravated me was there's not a lot of resources on finding your most flattering color as a Black woman. And the thing is, a lot of colors look great on women of color. Like we look great in a lot of colors, but there are still colors that are going to be more flattering for you versus less flattering. And for example, not all of us are dark women. Like a lot of times they're trying to say, oh, you're a dark one because you have dark hair and dark skin. That is not it. So that's why I created the Discover Your Color kit to help you determine your most flattering colors. If you're interested in that, I will link that down below as well as up here. I'll link it somewhere. Another mistake you can be making is not accessorizing smartly. Accessories are not just like an afterthought. Accessories should definitely be something that you focus on when you're thinking about your outfit. Accessorizing is the difference between wearing an outfit and styling an outfit. Accessories can be such an important role in your outfit. They can really elevate pretty much anything. A basic outfit with a belt and a handbag really elevates the look. A dress with sandals, it's nice, right? But a dress with the right necklace, the right earrings, the right accessories can really elevate your look. So accessorizing smartly, something that's going to help you look more polished and put together. And a mistake a lot of us make is accessorizing as an afterthought. If your outfit feels boring or it feels bland, accessories are going to be what's going to amplify and elevate the outfit. My rule is every chic outfit needs at least 3 accessories. 3, not 6, 3. So that could be earrings and a necklace and a nice purse. That could be a belt and earrings and some really nice shoes. But every outfit, in my opinion, needs 3 accessories. That could be a ring, that could be your earrings, and that could be a belt. But try to think about what are 3 accessories I can add to this outfit to really elevate it. I found that when you have simple accessories, simple earrings, they're going to go with a lot of things. They're going to take the guesswork out of, oh, does this match this? I'm a firm believer in make things easy. I love big earrings, but I also like really simple, delicate pieces. They're going to match a lot of different things so that I'm not constantly trying to figure out what am I going to wear today. Simple pieces that go with a lot of things are going to make your outfits look better, and it's going to be a lot easier for you to pair them with stuff. And honestly, I think of accessorizing like seasoning food. Too much and it's not going to look nice. Accessories enhance your outfit. Personal opinion though. All right, so the next mistake is neglecting your hair, your makeup, your nails. Those things are the icings on the cake. I saw a TikTok the other day and the girl's outfits were so cute, but her hair was messy. She had no makeup on and it was like, you was almost there. And if that's your thing, if you're like, Breonna, the hair and makeup, I don't care about that stuff, that's fine. That's you. That's your anesthetic. I get it. I am not going to judge you. But if you really want to look polished and put together, do not forget about your hair. Do not forget about your nails. Do not forget about your makeup. You can have a super simple makeup look. It can literally be just, you did your brows, a little bit of lipstick, and a little bit of concealer. That's like my go-to. If I'm wearing something cute and I need to put a little makeup on to really amplify, I will just do some concealer, some mascara, and a little lipstick, and I'm out the door. But it really just elevates your look. You can have a ponytail, and it can just be really nice, or a bun. Your hairstyle doesn't have to be a bunch of ringlets. It can be a high bun, a low bun, a really cute, sleek ponytail with a little swoop. But don't neglect your hair, makeup, and nails. Those things really amplify your look. Chip nail polish, in my opinion, will not make you look put together. Another mistake I see, and I'm kind of guilty of this mistake as well, is not wearing the right undergarments. Panty lines, your bra's not fitted right, so you got little bumps in the top and the side. I'll be a victim of that sometimes. Not wearing the right undergarments is one way to make you look less put together and not as polished. For example, I wear this silk dress and it was so beautiful, and then when I got photos back, it looked off because like you could see my panty line, my bra wasn't fitted right, and it just minimized the look. I didn't look as put together because my undergarments wasn't correct for the outfit. Like when your chest is spilling out of your top, it doesn't make the outfit look as great and it makes you look less put together. Another mistake I see often, and you guys, again, sometimes I am the victim of this, especially because you guys know I just had a baby. I just got sized recently for a new bra, so I am bigger than I'm normally, and I've had the bra issue as well. Wearing the wrong undergarments is going to make you look less put together. So make sure that you have the correct bra size and you're getting sized regularly. Like last time you got sized for a bra was 3 years ago. That's too long ago. Get sized regularly. I don't care if you are a size B. I don't care if you are a size H. Get sized regularly. It doesn't cost any money for them to size you. Only thing that costs money is actually buying the bra, but get sized on a regular basis so you know your bra size is going to save your shoulder, it's going to save your back, and it's going to make your outfits look so much more put together. Another mistake that a lot of women make when it comes to looking more put together is they don't have good posture. Great posture is going to amplify your outfit tenfold. If you're slouching like a potato sack, we can't really see how cute your dress is. We can't see the belt. We can't see the outfit. It's going to make you look less put together. It's going to make you look less confident. It's not going to make you look assured. Like when you stand up tall, when you sit tall, when you're not slouching, you look more confident, you look more assertive, you look more assured. These are things going to make you look put together. Put together is not just the outfit that you're wearing. It's also how do you carry yourself? How do you communicate? How do you talk? How do you treat people? I'm a firm believer. Being put together is more than just appearance. It is the person inside and out. How do you make people feel? How do you walk around? How do you carry yourself is one of the biggest ways to look more put together. When you're slouching, when your posture's off, when you pulled your shoulders down, when you're looking away, when you walk and you're looking at the floor, it makes it appear that you are not confident. You are not assured of yourself. And baby, let me tell you, you are that girl. You are everything. Like, sis, like, do you know how amazing you are? You need to be standing up tall, walking tall, head held high, because you are that girl, that put together girl. You go, girl. When you walk in a room and you have good posture and you look confident, that is how you own the room. Just remember and tell yourself this, put on your phone, put a reminder, shoulders back, queen energy, which leads me into not owning your look. Own your look. One of the big mistakes that you can make them look less put together is not owning your look. This is what you look like. Your body type is your body type. Your hair is yours. Your makeup is yours. The weight that you carry, everything about you is you. Own it. You do not have to apologize. You're not going to apologize for taking up space. You are worthy. We're not apologizing for our hair type. We're not apologizing for our skin tone. We're not apologizing for any of that because everything that we are is amazing. We're not going to tolerate being tolerated. We are celebrated. And more importantly, we're going to celebrate yourself. So if you want to look more put together, own it. Own who you are. Own the space that you take up. Own your energy. Own it. Confidence makes any outfit look 10 times better. When you own who you are, you're going to automatically look more put together and more polished. And then another mistake that can make you look less put together is not thinking about your perfume. How you smell is a component of your outfit and appearance. How you smell is a personal experience and it can affect how others perceive you. We all have talked to somebody or been around somebody and they was musty and we didn't have positive, nice thoughts about them being musty, right? You was like, you kind of stink. And we also all had experience where we were beside somebody and they smelled really great. And we was like, you smell awesome, right? So don't forget about your perfume. Having a signature scent. Like you want people to be like, she smells good. You want them to be like, she smells like fish. She smells like hot dog. Unless you're grilling, then that's okay. That's probably fine. But don't forget about a scent. Your fragrance is your invisible accessory. It affects how people interact with you. It affects how they feel about you. Smelling good makes such a positive and amazing impression, and you want that. You want to make a good impression, right? And just so you know, the secret to making perfumes last longer is not just spraying a little perfume on and then going out the day. Like I feel like there is a strategy, a method to layering your perfumes and layering your scents so that you smell amazing. I do have a video where I go in depth on how to layer your perfumes that you smell delicious all day long. If you're interested in that method, here's the video right here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.